Yellowstone National Park is world-famous for its geothermal wonders, but it's not the only place on Earth where molten rock churns just below the surface. In fact, there are more than 500 spots around our planet with bubbling mud pools, steaming vents, and even underwater volcanoes. Geothermal wonders like those at Yellowstone happen when heat from the core makes its way up through the crust. As it rises, pressure and temperature increase, causing volatile compounds like water vapor, carbon dioxide and sulfur to be released into the surrounding rock in the form of hydrothermal fluids. Depending on the chemistry of the surrounding rock, these fluids can react with minerals in different ways, which influences whether they end up as hot springs, geysers, or something else entirely. And while we often think of geothermal activity as being associated with tectonic plate boundaries, that's not always the case. These mysterious geothermal hotspots can also occur far from any plate boundary, making them all the more intriguing. So let's explore some of the most fascinating geothermal areas on Earth beyond Yellowstone. Located in the middle of the North Atlantic, the Azores archipelago is a group of 9 volcanic islands that make up the highest point in this region of the ocean. The islands are the result of a hotspot, an area of unusually high heat within the Earth's mantle that melts through the tectonic plates above it. This particular hotspot is believed to be responsible for the creation of the entire chain of islands. But did you know that one island in particular is home to a unique geothermal wonder? Welcome to Furnas Island, the third largest of the Azores. It may be best known for its tranquil Lagoa das Furnas, a lake nestled in a crater formed by a collapsed magma chamber. But it's another geothermal feature that truly steals the show. Imagine hiking through lush green valleys and suddenly coming across a bubbling mud pool that's warm to the touch. It's a scene straight out of a fantasy novel. And yet it's a reality in the stunning Parque das Sete Cidades. Here hot springs bubble merrily along winding paths. Some are rich in minerals, creating vibrant hues of yellow, green, and blue, while others are milky white, adding to the otherworldly feel of the landscape. Now picture yourself walking along a boardwalk that winds its way over steaming vents and pools. The air is thick with the scent of sulfur, and the ground beneath your feet vibrates with the park's geothermal energy. It's an experience that's both humbling and exhilarating. The heat rising from the earth is palpable, and you can't help but feel like you're standing at the edge of something powerful and ancient. It's no surprise that Furnas Island is considered one of the most geothermal active places on Earth. Beneath its surface, there's a constant battle between the forces of creation and destruction. Molten rock from deep within the Earth's mantle is pushing its way upward, creating new land and releasing steam and gases through vents and fissures. It's a reminder of the raw natural power that lies beneath our feet and the delicate balance that creates the world we inhabit. The Taupo volcanic zone in New Zealand is home to some of the most impressive geothermal wonders in the world. One of the most popular destinations in the zone is Wai-O-Tapu, a geothermal park located near Rotorua. Here, visitors can experience firsthand the raw power of the earth. One of the most striking features of Wai-O-Tapu is the champagne pool. This is a deep pool of boiling water with a constant stream of gas bubbles rising to the surface. The water's distinctive dark green color comes from the high concentration of dissolved minerals, particularly silica. Another impressive feature is the artist's palette, a series of colorful pools ranging in shades of yellow, green, and blue. The colors are created by different minerals and algae that thrive in the hot water. Walking around the park, you can see steam rising from vents in the ground and hear the hiss of gases escaping. The air is filled with the smell of sulfur, creating a truly unique and memorable experience. Just a short drive from Wai-O-Tapu is another geothermal wonder, the Hookah Falls. Here, millions of gallons of water flow over a rocky precipice, creating a thunderous roar that can be heard for miles. The water's journey begins in the nearby Lake Taupo, one of New Zealand's largest lakes, before making its way through a network of underground streams and rivers. As the water descends, it creates a fine mist that rises into the air, giving the falls a mystical, almost otherworldly feel. It's a sight that's both awe-inspiring and humbling. Japan is renowned for its rich culture and history, but it's also home to some of the most fascinating natural wonders on Earth. One such wonder is the Jigokudani Monkey Park, also known as the Hell Valley Monkey Park. Located in the mountainous region of Nagano, this park is a geothermal wonderland that's sure to leave visitors in awe. The park gets its name from the steamy, sulfur-rich valley that's home to a variety of geothermal features, including hot springs, steam vents, and mud pools. Despite the potentially dangerous conditions, the park is home to a troop of Japanese macaques, also known as snow monkeys, who have adapted to the unique environment and can often be seen bathing in the hot springs. These monkeys are truly remarkable creatures, and seeing them lounging in the hot water amidst the steamy landscape is a truly unforgettable experience. But that's not all Jigokudani has to offer. Visitors to the park can also enjoy a variety of hiking trails that wind through the stunning scenery. Along the way, you'll have the opportunity to take in the sights and sounds of the park, including the babbling of the nearby river and the calls of various bird species. And if you're lucky, you might even spot some of the park's elusive wildlife. Overall, the Jigokudani Monkey Park is a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the natural beauty and cultural richness of Japan. From the snow monkeys to the geothermal wonders, this park has something for everyone. In Iceland, the Blue Lagoon is a world-renowned geothermal spa that draws visitors from around the globe. Located on the southwestern coast of the country, the Blue Lagoon was formed in 1975 when a geothermal power plant was constructed nearby. The plant's cooling system released warm water into the surrounding area, which eventually formed a natural pool. Over the years, the pool's milky blue water and geothermal properties have made it a popular destination for tourists seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. But the Blue Lagoon is not the only geothermal attraction in Iceland. The country is home to a number of hot springs, geysers, and mud pools. One notable example is the Golden Circle, a popular tourist route that includes sites like the Geysir geothermal area and the Gullfoss waterfall. Here visitors can witness the Strokkur geyser erupt every few minutes, sending hot water and steam high into the air. There's also the Kerid Crater Lake, a stunning lake located in a volcanic crater that's filled with turquoise water and surrounded by moss-covered rocks. Iceland's geothermal wonders are not just beautiful to behold, but they also play an important role in the country's culture and history. For centuries, Icelanders have harnessed the power of geothermal energy for heating and other purposes. Today, geothermal energy accounts for a significant portion of Iceland's energy production, and the country is home to the world's largest geothermal power plant. Indonesia is home to some of the most breathtaking natural wonders on Earth. And one of the most intriguing is Kawah Ijen, a volcano located on the island of Java. Kawah Ijen is known for its stunning blue flames, a rare and mesmerizing phenomenon that occurs when sulfur burns in low oxygen conditions. What makes this volcano truly unique is its crater lake, which is the largest in the world. The lake is located at an incredible height of 2,000 meters above sea level and is filled with a brilliant blue liquid. But what makes this lake so special is its unusual color. Unlike other crater lakes, which are typically green or black, the waters of Lake Kawah Ijen are a vibrant blue. This is due to the high concentration of sulfur in the lake, which gives it a distinct hue. Visitors can take a boat ride across the lake and explore the surrounding area, including the nearby villages and tea plantations. The journey to Kawah Ijen is not easy, but the stunning views and unique natural wonders make it well worth the effort. From the snow monkeys of Jigokudani to the blue flames of Kawah Ijen, each of these geothermal hotspots offers a unique glimpse into the power and beauty of our planet. They remind us of the incredible diversity of the natural world and the wonders that await us when we explore it. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a chance to connect with nature, these geothermal destinations are sure to impress.